Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore how organizations can improve lead conversion and gain better visibility into their sales pipeline. Many organizations find it difficult to identify high potential opportunities, track deal progress, and understand where leads are getting stuck in the sales process. One of our clients in the financial AI services industry faced similar challenges. To address this, our team at Perceptive Analytics developed an analytical solution for heads of customer success and sales executives. It gives them a clear view of pipeline health and conversion performance, helping them prioritize high-value opportunities and close deals faster. This dashboard helps teams spot warm leads with the highest conversion potential, identify pipeline slowdowns, and unblock stalled deals faster. Focus on the high-value leads for better revenue outcomes. Track and compare team performance. If your team is facing similar challenges, you can book a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's have a quick look at how this works. Right at the top, we get an overview of key performance indicators. This section provides a quick snapshot of the sales pipeline. A total of $14.2 million in leads were submitted this year. Out of these, $13.7 million were accepted as warm leads, with an impressive 97% acceptance rate. Of the warm leads, $5.9 million have already been won. That's a 43% win rate. About 31% have been lost, and 26%, worth $3.6 million, are still in the pipeline. This represents immediate opportunity. Next, we see that out of all submitted leads, around 75% came from cross-sell opportunities and 25% came from upsell, signaling that cross-sell strategies are driving greater volume this year. On the right, we can analyze the trend in lead submissions by month. We see a clear rise in lead submissions from January through July. July recorded the highest activity, with $1.59 million in pipeline, and $582,000 is already converted. We can click here and dive deeper to see which managers submitted these leads. Here, we see that Amelia submitted the highest number of leads in July, followed by Emily and Emma. By clicking her name, we can explore the status of these leads in more detail. We can see that a big chunk of Amelia's pipeline leads are expected to close in August. We can click and select this month to see how far these leads have progressed in the funnel. Nearly 40% of them are already in the final stage. That's a great signal for immediate conversion. Clicking into the finalization stage, we get a list of warm opportunities that require timely intervention, whether it's outreach, negotiation, or offer finalization. We can also use this dashboard to evaluate the performance of individual account managers. For example, who is consistently pushing leads to closure, and who might need support or coaching. Here, Emily stands out as a top performer with $1.3 million in wins and minimal losses. It shows consistent conversions, whereas Amelia is handling the highest lead value and has over $2.1 million in losses. It signals a need for support in closing deals. If you want better visibility into your lead pipeline and conversion performance, you can schedule a free consultation with us right now. Perceptive Analytics is your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.